Nitariki 15 nemo omutienyi ogatano na kabere umwaka wechirubere nemerongo ebere na inye na mange abeire gakorekana ase abasae beke goliya Gen Z bagenrete kurobekana chinsemo ime na isiko yorogongo ruagusi mwanchunguralia Ondizi TV egati ayo na mange nimbe ingu manyiritere nenkoro kwa Job Maangi na ko bagakwene kinga chibichechi boigo na Mariogi abera goikera asenchera yobo ikerano na Abigail Nyanchama ningeragire chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugaso kolene tiango turacha simutimo koma kinkwirana nimbe inkubo manyia ajaberega kwene kibo kubwa kete chinsa chamambi goikera bono mugaso. Mwanchumurelia Ondizi TV na wakanda tobugate gwetera asenchera yomtandao o Facebook Ondizi TV News Digital asense media YouTube Ondizi TV News na wetera somtanda ito www.ondizitv.net awatonyora chinsa emeronge bere nainye amatuko atano na bere ye wiki ensemo ya bana boda boda kurua ase ensemo ya Nyansiongo igotoka ime ye bunge ya Borabu county ya Nyamira nigoba bere bagwe soki bene asibabere bakwe murunganiria oipara ere embe ase enseme yiboigo nigo baba gosaba eserekali enene ko bagegotegerera ebirengerero na boigo ebirero byaba Kenya abanda tekonyora okomigwa kobwate kananga nogo konga kobogima
diane ngor property omoyo na chagete asari ya pota ono mwako ikomimbwate in fact challenges chire aso makartu achagetega kara mafuta ise at least ngoro astuwali ngende na ntuwa save weekend lakini siku hizi senge njama mafuta achire goro o magana ntori korosi sachinde chia stokoro chikabe sawa kitu gore sukari tu gore bintu byanya machera mambi kwa bokero saving ende yo stay ya sema tukalero no abantu abatokolini na baro mbari ko tomenta chiri chingoro bare gato na chiba gato akabona bone tubwata bakomu in fact ntori go save weekend yonsi umagute serikali ya wanje nyira ni up to 150 at least ngo chakaba twarenge samao gai
yetera nje nkuru kuchemission kunde kuri Nyansiongo stage nonkore boda boda yane na chagete 2018 akabono iga challenge tubwate ga igere nkongumone ga kogera njira tukurigia senjera ye para ga iga igere nkongusana konyora nona batecha tugote toma konyora chiparo renga rinda gechauri roche gari ebitongo bire binge sana abana boda boda baiko chigari kwanye chitenene na bora tuombe boda kurumagega meta bantu bechigari rasima atebe ngare kwa mutu mukurumagega gakwera egatongo nabo konyora gari ekerechi kende bosio kurumagega gukurutuma tinga tongongero nabo konyo kwa mutu umire kabura nande nkwira na gocha setu ga Nyansiongo ase turensa iga twari gosaba nga baibuli akara bagocha ase geita ga na inche na ariko basabiri principle yeito ija ariko barosoria ga seti kabo baso amari rinde nari bagokorera rende abaibuli bakorua mangana bari goche challenge chiabo rinde banyare konyora bakoreki inde banyare konyora huduma ya biseine twagosaba none serikali enene inyare gutujiriria maguta aya irinde tuma konyora ne tutonya sentonyore benefit kuruororo kidogo irinde turanyare koraki komenyana na ituna abana boda bonse Kenya ngima tari ng'abantu igotubwate mechande menge no gufamigwa bwa abantu mbali bagoja batufamia abandi batungaina irinde batwire sabari chintambe kwa makonya kwanyori obokongu gutengani customer kwa buguritie lakini kwanyanga kwanyori obokongu etwara kora nge serikali ni twetokonye turinde boda yeito na tutonya konyora gepato kuruororo kidogo tunyare komenyera buna abantu bamenyerete tina sabe serikali yeito ni turinde na bwate na ichangani
Togos kabose wika ase ingana erengete oboremi wekemerigeta nigo abaremi ve factory ya kyamukama na lianyamwa mubarabe bako manyigwa aba director babo anemono bali babete bagotorwa ase obotori bwabete bokwarenigwa ase chinsemo omutinyi oyeta chitariki emerongebere na kianda omoyega obere gokwarenigwa ase factory ya lianyamwa munyoranga chi factory chinde inde imena isikero gongo rwagusi nchiabete chikwarigania obochori asikolinde obotukanu bwabete bokoba ime yorogongo rwagusi samasakara abete gakonyorwa engana abete kwirera lituko lyugwaka chikura gosikyo korwa seritsukule juma goika lituko liria lya juma mosi.
ID number 094-2340. Forward. What the resolution Minetiga, Yamoko elected by at least half of the Nitegodanga, Muhammad Agomo director. But what the director, Amawako Guru. Paribata targetiamo director imukiama wako. Kwa elected in Kwani Iron. Kwa ruti. Ngebe mutwa. Como propose. Mokorwa no moino. Ni como propose, no como second, ni ID, ni kemane kia namba.
I Martin Nyakundi Mokano, KK 17-231, I propose Richard Yobino Nyawai.
Togos kabosioni go ensemo yabaraiba borokigwa as university au imense itu ya Kenya babeire bakwa okoboko getambo kirokyo moraibense Dr. William Ruto anemono ase okorusia omuswada aulia bwechibe sana boigo ensemo yende ase gochaki bene omurobelye bochikobeka abisi abakomishona bekyombe kya IEBC askolende babeire bakomusaba boigo kora amunchirulyo ase sector yechisemi anenemono ase umoroberio bugosira aborokia anenemono gwetera ase umoroberio oria help gwetera asumo mtala umoyabose umoroberio umoya bokona na wechibesa gwetera ase new funding model asate banga no moroberio batali koa oko boko
of university students and young people of this country. We would like to appreciate the move by His Excellency the President Dr. William Samoei Ruto in actually trying to fix this country by listening to the voices of the young people and accepting to be guided by their wisdom. His willingness to actually dissolve the cabinet and withdraw the finance bill are steps towards the right direction of fixing this nation. The youth of this nation recognize and welcome both decisions. As university student leaders and ambassadors of our Generation Z, we suggest that the President, as he thinks about constituting the new cabinet, he actually considers greatly young people of this nation who have distinguished themselves in leadership, public service for these positions. We need young, creative, and competent minds to be directly responsible for the future of our nation. The return of defunct cabinet secretaries to those positions and dockets is a no-go zone in these discussions. To the members of the parliament who have failed terribly to represent the interest of Wananchi, we want to remind you that the Generation Z and the comrades of this country are coming for you.
We refuse, we reject, we disavow, we repudiate, and we say that it is a totally inconsistent phenomenon for us to accept this kind of financial modeling. Therefore, we demand a very fair, intrinsic and original financial architecture to ensure that comrades, despite their home background, despite their county, despite their origin, despite their skin color, despite their religion, can have an amicable learning environment with an extreme proportionate emphasis to academia prototypes and curriculum protuberance. Comrades, viva!
Viva! I really recommend that if it is scholarship, if it is loans, let it be applicable to both private and public universities.
Togos kabosioni go mwanchumurelia ondizi TV kurobekana ko endrete ase chinsemo ime naisiko yorogongo ruagusi ase abasae anemono balia vekegoli gya genzi babiri bawesoki bene na gokora okurobekana ase kolende ugusaba ko endrete kurwegwa gochia ase abasae abokora okurobekana komorembe bakora wana baraibekanisa kurwa ase county ya Kericho nigo babiri babeire bakurwa ogosaba ase omulembe anene mono chingaki chiria chokorobekana ase baba kogikiria abantu bali babeire bagosalia ebintu by'abantu chingaki chiria chokorobekana.
Mulipoenda street na kusema maneno yetu, most of what you told us ni ya kwamba ilikuwa ya ukweli. The only thing that I'm requesting ni kwamba if you are going to go to the street, you have your democratic right to do so because the constitution of our country will allow you to do so, provided that you don't destroy properties, musimwage damu, na musiingiliwe na watu wengine. Tunataka wanasiasa watoke kando, argue your points, because we support you.
We want to encourage all our stakeholders in that particular aspect that peace is imperative. Peace is vital. So whatever we do, let us do it in peace. Whatever we are demonstrating in, let us demonstrate in peace. Let us demonstrate accountability, and let us not allow other people to even infiltrate us. We have people who can infiltrate, and they bring the bad things other than making the right thing of what is needed.
We are urging all of us that let's refrain from doing harm in the process of trying to salvage this situation in the country. As much as the Constitution gives us the right to picket and demonstrate, we have a moral duty as youths to do this in peace, in a peaceful manner.
Totikalete asingana erengete obuteneneli abwe serikali nabo igo chinkwa na abarai bekanisa bandete korwa nigo obumo bwabarandi abedini yege Catholic babeire boigo bagwe soki bene na kwa okoboko getambokero kyomurai bwense Dr. William Ruto anemono ase okobuna ekamati area yaba waziri ase babeire bakomusaba go chikochora abarai bose abawaziri babwate mbwa chingia na boigo bara chikora ense ya itobu ya ayemaiga yega chi yaba waziri komochigwa kobwachekana na mamocho yobokurumi na boigo obotumeki obobe bwechibesa chiese rekali.
We are appalled by the shameless amassing of wealth by siphoning taxpayer hard-earned money. Some of the public servants have brought dishonor to their offices and Kenyans in general. Prophet Hosea reminds us, I quote, "They have deeply corrupted themselves as in the day of Gibeah. He will remember their iniquity, he will punish their sins." End of quote. Humility has been totally lacking in leadership, treating citizens to impunity and arrogance.
We therefore request that you open up yourselves for inclusive conversations so that you are also enriched by perspectives that may not be obvious to you. In doing this, you become attentive to the laws of God and bear true respect for others. We all have made mistakes. No one can claim to be faultless. Allow us also to correct you on some of the vulgar and improper slogans.
Mwanchumulilia Undizi TV engane yokorwa ase abarai anamono ve dini yeke Catholic notorachi goikera omwelio wamangana maya chinsa isano nebere chabono mugaseitera nenkoro kwa Job Maangi nabaga kwene kinga chibiche chiboigo na maliogi abera wekera asenchera yobwekera no Abigail Nyanchama wekera chinga kichinde nabaga neilie oburiria obuya imeandizi TV nabuo obwansu bumugusi.